Okay, today we have a new one from ROCHOBBY. It's the People's Car 1/12 scale. I would just like to start off by saying I don't know anything about Volkswagens, although this isn't licensed, so it's not a Volkswagen. Wink wink. So let's check the manual. They always have a nice little history or backstory about the particular model. The history of common folk owning cars is not very long. Weird, but efficient vehicle, blah, blah, blah. Okay, something about the Third Reich. Okay, some other things. Can the doors be opened? Let's try the door handle. Lots of fun stuff. And this one comes in a nice little case, as they all do. Ta-da! Battery charger and tool. Transmitter. And a couple of pieces, parts, bumper, number plates. All right, so get a load of this. Very nice looking gray type color. Kind of got a little greenish hue. Check out those hubcaps. Hello. Everything's taped shut. Okay, so it's got terrific detail. Underside, fully detailed. Has little portal boxes, reduction boxes, independent suspension, or whatever they want to call it, swing arm. Little engine detail. Look in the tunk. There you go. Spare tire. Hello. Very nicely detailed. And there we'll find our battery. Alright, let's peel off that protective film. Ta-da. Okay. Check that out. Now this is pretty much the same model as the whatever the last release was, Type 82 Commander Wagon dealie, in which I had, and I painted it to look like Herpy, the love bump. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Maybe I'll just run it as is. This one does not have the off-road tires. It has street tires, so it'll be even more hilarious in Smiggins' Folly. But it is a sharp-looking little automobile. So why don't we apply the bumper and this little guy. Look at the detail on it. It says, you can see it says Bosch. We got to take these screws off. It's so roly-poly. Okay. check it out. And it comes with a different set of numbers for whatever. But very cool. Very handsome little car. It's a bit of a tough one to open. Watch the paint. And it's RC. So let's put some batteries in. Okay, so the batteries should be charged up enough to do a little bench demo. But before that, we want to make sure we have our transmitter set to the right settings. Forward, reverse, brake, or just forward to reverse, LiPo, drag brake, and all that. I'm going to go straight to just forward, reverse. It's already on LiPo. I'm going to do 75% drag brake. Let's see how that works. And I broke it. Whoa! So you use the fourth channel to control the lights. Best part about this one, no turn signals. So that's at least 1 inch of ground clearance. So if you long press the fourth channel, it'll put it into 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So now we're in 2-wheel, low, 2-wheel high. Okay, 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. So they've been able to pack a ton of functionality into a small scale with full detail, with a full depth interior, with a flat floor pan. I mean, it's pretty amazing. So is this a practical RC for you to own? I'll let you be the judge. I can't imagine it doing very well. It's not a rock crawler. It's just a really nice scale replica. I'm already quite familiar how this goes, so I probably won't be taking this one out for a test drive. So I'll just link to my last video of the Commander wagon here. You can click that and you can see that out in Smiggins Folly. It'll probably be about the same thing. So another thing to note, since this is like a pretty true to scale replica RC, the pieces aren't very robust. Not a lot of beefiness, some thin plastic, small screws, you know, just small driveline pieces. So it's not built to take a beating. It's just all around scale realism. So keep that in mind. Yeah. Pretty cool. Even down to the detail there. They have this listed at $189.99. That's dollars. Oh yes, can't forget this little detail. Look at that. Even the little pulley goes around. Very cool. Lots of servos. Lots of screws. When I took that other one apart to paint it, there were a lot of screws. So I think if I paint this one, I'm just going to mask the windows off and paint it assembled. So there's one thing I'd like to add. They're selling this as a 1/12 scale, and according to my wheelbase measurements of 200 millimeters and a real one being 2400, it comes out to 1/12 scale, at least based on wheelbase measurements. But I'm pretty sure we can trust that because it's quite proportionally accurate. So you can just go off that one. So it's nice to see something sold as what it actually is. Anyway, thanks to FMS for sending me out this little people's car to play with and show to you all. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed something a little out of the ordinary from me. And maybe this will return in another video with some modifications.